Alright guys, so in this video it's going to be a little different. We're going to be doing some staking, well not really staking, but gambling. It's released, and it was released a couple days ago I believe. And just before anything, so right in the clip behind us, this is just some live stuff right now. And I forgot I had my face cam on, so yes, that is what I look like, if any of you were wondering what I look like now. I was streaming before and I forgot that I added a face cam. But anyway, let's get back to the video. We did some gambling, and it was crazy, and I was so scared. Most of the time I was barely even talking. I was just like, what the fuck am I gonna do? Like, if I lose everything, this is gonna be insane. And it was a little scary, guys, but I'll let you see. I won't spoil anything, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
She's got class and style, street knowledge by the pound, yeah. Baby never act wild, very low key on the profile. Catching feelings isn't all. Let me show you how it goes. Loves the word, spins the verb. Lovers it good, freak what you are. I like the way you work it. No diggity, I'm about to bag it up. I like the way you work it. No diggity, I'm about to bag it up. I like the way you work it, no. I'm about to bag it up. I like the way you work it, and I got this soda. Remy boys that know it. Fast money don't slow, no one can control it. No, yeah. And I got this soda. Remy boys that know it. Fast money don't slow, no, they can't control it. No, yeah. No diggity, darling, I like the way you work it. No diggity, darling, I'm about to bang. 1738. No diggity, darling, I like the way you talking bands. I got it, Benjamins in my pocket. I traded my truth for some robins, and he's playing Batman. Freddy's gonna rob him. Yeah, I got the Glock in my robbery. 17 shots, no 38. Yeah, I got the Glock in my robbery. 17 shots, no 38. Yeah, she's fine. Wondering will she be mine? Walk past, I press, rewind. See that ass one more time. And I got this soda. Remy boys that know it. Fast money don't slow, no one can control it. Yeah. And I got this soda. Remy boys that know it. Fast money don't slow, no one can control it. She's got class and style, street knowledge by the pound, yeah. Baby never act wild, very low key on the profile. Catching feelings isn't all. Let me show you how it goes. Loves the word, spins the verb. Lovers it good, freak what you are. I like the way you work it. No diggity, I'm about to bag it up. I like the way you work it. No diggity, I'm about to bag it up. I like the way you work it. No, I'm about to bag it up. I like the way you work it. And I got this soda. Remy boys that know it. Fast money don't slow, no one can control it. No, yeah. And I got this soda. Remy boys that know it. Fast money don't slow, no, they can't control it.
Whew, man, that was fucking scary. I was so sad. I couldn't talk during that. I was like shitting myself. I was like, Oh my gosh, if we lose this, I'm gonna cry. Oh my gosh. The entire time we went there, we had 30 mil cash, or 35. It's 36 mil cash actually. And we had a couple items I needed for 55 mil. We went in for that H-Ween. Oh my gosh, we lost that. I would have messed some shit up. You probably would have seen me rage on video and my reaction. But this is sweet. Now we can do some, that's so fucking great. We got an ACB, guys. Oh, that's great. Alright, well, hopefully you guys did enjoy this. I was really scared a couple of times. I was really shaky. I was like, oh my gosh, if we lose this, we're gonna look like such noobs. And I was gonna do the robes and everything. And I was like, no, I can't do the robes, because then we're just gonna, like, then we can't have Fashion Escape. But anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna try and do more of these. Try not lose our entire bank like we almost did. But I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.
Talking bands, I got it. Benjamins in my pocket. I traded my truth for some robins, and he's playing Batman, but he's gonna rob him.